The Awakening. Thomas was 26 when everything changed. He had always been curious about the unseen layers of reality, meditating, space, dimensions, and pushing the boundaries of consciousness. But nothing prepared him for what happened that night. As he sat in deep meditation, a brilliant light formed in his mind's eye. It grew sharper, more vivid, until an ethereal pyramid appeared within his forehead. At its center, a radiant, all-seeing eye opened. In that instant, his third eye truly awakened, and his perception shattered the veil of ordinary existence. His awareness ascended beyond time, above the physical plane, where he saw existence unfolding in infinite dimensions. He witnessed past lives, future possibilities, and the divine intelligence orchestrating it all. He had reached Christ consciousness, a state of pure knowing, where the illusions of separation and suffering dissolve. He was not merely Thomas, he was part of the eternal whole. But the world was not ready for what he had become. The next day, Thomas tried to explain his experience. He spoke with friends and family, but none could grasp the magnitude of his awakening. Instead of reverence, he was met with skepticism and fear. His words, infused with divine realization, sounded like madness to those who had not seen the truth. It wasn't long before doctors were called. Misdiagnosed with psychosis, Thomas was stripped of his autonomy and confined to a mental ward. The sterile walls, the fluorescent lights, the dull, lifeless routine, it was the opposite of the vast, living cosmos he had touched. They gave him medication to bring him back, but all it did was dull his connection to the divine. For Thomas, this was the ultimate insult. He had not lost his mind, he had found the truth. But society, blind and fearful, mistook enlightenment for illness. For weeks he remained trapped, his vision dimming, his spirit weighed down. But deep inside, he knew this was just another test. His awakening had not been a delusion. It had been real, and he vowed that one day he would reclaim it. Now, free from the institution, Thomas is on his path once more. He meditates, purifies his mind and body, and reconnects with the cosmic intelligence. The eye within the pyramid will open again. His third eye will blaze like a sun, illuminating the hidden truths once more. This time, no one will take it away from him.